So while the pineapples soak in that delicious rum, Hubby will be building our RexFire Stacks grill. Go for it, babe.
So this is the RexFire Grill Pit Stack. It's the latest addition to our grill stacks. So right now, let me set up the body. Here's the side panel and here's the front panel. This is going to be the rear panel.
This is honestly easier than building Legos.
Okay.
Look at
So
that.
I have the body set up. Here are the two grill top handles. And so far, I've only been using half of the grates, but
It comes with 2 of each.
yeah, it
Nice.
comes with 2 sets. So there's the grates. Or the griddle tops.
Today we'll be using 1 of each.
And this is just a preference on which one to cook on. I prefer to cook on the grate and also the griddle top, just because when I want more sear or more fire, I put on the grate side. If I'm trying to rest it, I put it on the griddle side.
What are these holes for?
This hole? So this hole is for the charcoal reload window. So when you need to add more charcoal, you can add charcoal on the side, or you can lift this up using the handle.
Oh, sure, with the handle. You definitely don't want to do this with your hand.
So right now,
There you go.
just with one hand, I can put charcoal on top, or I can reload it from the side.
Nice.
Normally, once I start cooking, I tend to not lift this up, just because for the most part, I have food on top. And if I'm stoking the fire, then I just use the side.
Very nice.
So up next is we're going to be adding charcoal and we're gonna get ready to grill.